Hello everyone, I am Edgar Natslow and welcome to a little 360 tour video thing. I'm going to explain how you use it. Because if you're a real estate agent, this is a tool that you need to use right now, especially during the lockdowns or whatever's going on, and even beyond. We were doing this before the whole COVID thing was going on. Because if you use it properly, especially now, you start picking up clients, which is what you want because that's where you make your money. For example, in the last week and a half, these are 9 new property management clients. So for those who follow me, you can see 9 new property management clients because we've been sending out letters about marketing and how we do things differently, professional photos, 360-degree tours, especially when people can't go and view them because they're interstate or whatever it is. They give us the listings, we get them for rent, we pick up managements, 9 managements at whatever the value is. If you're a principal of a real estate office, you know that 9 new managements in a week and a half, that is some money. Now, if you're also in listings and you want to get some listings, so you're selling them, at $10,000, $15,000 commission, imagine picking up 10 listings in a month. That's like $150,000 in money you can make just because you offer virtual tours. Now, not a brand new thing, but with technology it's become really good. So, how do you do it and how do you take advantage of getting more business by using these things and virtualtourscreator.com.au? Because it's as easy as getting one of these 360 cameras. Now, Thomas from virtualtours.com.au provided me this. Like the Insta360 One X is an amazing, amazing camera. This is the stuff you need. It's like for beginners, but it's probably even better than for beginners. It does a whole heap of stuff, but more importantly, it is so easy to use. However, it's been superseded by the Insta360 One R, and this is just an amazing camera as well. So apart from all the little toy features it does, it takes super easy, amazing 360-degree photos. You just turn it on, the Wi-Fi kicks in, you get your phone, you open up the app, it connects automatically, you place it in the middle of the room, you walk away, you press the button, 3 seconds later it takes a photo, you move to the hallway, take another photo, 3 seconds later you move to the bedroom, put it in the middle, take a photo. As easy as that. If you want to do what I do, you get it from your phone, you log into virtualtourscreator.com.au, you upload it straight from your photo album on your phone, and then it's as easy as just connecting the rooms together. It literally takes, I reckon, at most 5 to 10 minutes. And as the faster you get, because the more experience you get, it'll just be super quick. That alone will get you listings. Now, if you can't do that and say you haven't got the time, you're kidding yourself. Because if you just get to an appointment 5 minutes earlier than you have to, you go and quickly take the photos yourself on a tripod, monopod. If the photographer's going to do it, you're just going after them and you just take your photos straight after them. It's not that hard to do. And then it'll get you business. Now, that's the whole thing, right? You want to get more business, you want to get more money, and that's what you do. So, virtualtourscreator.com.au, talk to them, and get stuff like this. This is the kind of stuff you get. So this is like one of the rooms. I'm pretty sure that we can edit in some of the rooms and even some drone photos that we get, but that's like a separate next level. Let's just start simple. Take some photos of the rooms, let it spin around on its own. The tenants love it because they can go and look at the inspections. You don't have to go and do 50 inspections in a week and do them all separately, because tenants can pretty much look at the house and see if they like it or not. And by the time they get there, they're qualified. And they pretty much would, want to rent it themselves. I know that everyone's asking us, how long does it take? These 9 people, they've been empty some of these have been empty for 2 months, right? They're like, Eddie, how long does it take for you guys to rent the house? It takes us a week to a week and a half because we take professional photos, 360 tours. These things can do videos as well if you want to do the videos. We upload them, tenants love it, they send in online applications before even looking at the damn property, and then we lease them, but we don't want them to look at it, but then we lease them so quickly and we gain new managements. Now for sales, same thing, we're getting offers from Hong Kong, so we sold a place in Coomera, a townhouse, to a buyer in Hong Kong who just looked at it from the 360 tours and the photos. We sold a place at the Ramada Hotel to a guy in Cairns who couldn't even, which is this one here I think that we're looking at. Hang on, let me turn this on. Okay. So this place right here is the Ramada Hotel studio apartment. We sold this to a guy in Cairns, didn't inspect it, looked at the photos, looked at the 360 tour, and basically paid the price you had to pay to buy it, and done. Like, that was the easiest sale ever from a vacant property 360 tour. So, guys, get on to virtualtourscreator.com.au. It's like, I think it's $5, whatever it is, it's less than a McDonald's meal. Like, McDonald's meal now are $13 or something like that. It's like $5 or something like that. Don't bother charging the owner, seriously. Buy yourself a camera, I mean, you can, but why would you? Buy yourself a camera, do the 360 tours, pay the $5, get it online, have a point of difference, get new clients. The commissions you make from property managements and new leasing, and the value that adds, and the value you get from listings and the promotion, just the promotion yourself and putting the stuff on social media, is going to be beyond the whatever you're going to charge them. So get online, do it. virtualtourscreator.com.au. Get the Insta360 ONE-R. Seriously, don't bother looking at any other cameras. Unless you're going to become a professional, this is the one that you got to get. So Insta360 ONE-R. Talk to Thomas, Virtual Tours Creator. That's it. Stop wasting time. Stop watching this video. Go on there. Go to the website. Buy the camera. Log in. Create an account. Start making money. Go get it.